I'm bringing out the king of dancehall. The king of dancehall. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Vybz Kartel.
Welcome back to another episode of Dutty Berry's Countdown Quickie, where I, your host, Aliyah Hall, gives you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now, today's trending topic comes from Cardi B's Little Miss Drama Tour in Florida, where she brought out the king of dancehall himself, Vybz Kartel, to perform on the same stage in Florida. Now, she has been bringing out quite a few guest performers on her Little Miss Drama Tour. For example, she brought on Ozuna, the guy that sing Taki Taki, to perform. But this was an especially huge, momentous moment because when Kartel come out, he also brought out the Jamaican dancer. So we saw Rebel, dancing Rebel on the stage as well, and Sher Luxury Doll. Now, long time we don't see Sher dance, so this was a big, big moment. Let's take a look at that video.
I'm bringing out the king of dancehall. The king of dancehall. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Vybz Kartel.
You know, naturally, again, this is a big moment for dancehall culture, but I think this is an especially huge moment for the dancers. You know, in recent times, we've been seeing where the dancers have been getting a lot more opportunities. You know, PTR getting their own little reality show that was pretty TC Rebel getting their own reality show on YouTube, PTR and all that kind of thing. So we see where dancehall now is it kind of bigger than another artist alone and shine. You know, the other people who actually aid in that fanfare, who aid in the look of things, who aid in making the performances better, actually have an opportunity to better themselves. So, do you think that this was just a regular moment? I just one of them things they were, you know, Kartel perform with Cardi B, okay. Was this just one of those things, or is this truly a big win for dancehall? You know, what are your thoughts on that? Is Jamaica just taking over once more as we usually do, or has this signified some kind of significant shift in dancehall culture? And I'm curious to know, who else do you think deserves a moment like this? You know, does this signal anything else? You know, is this a hint of maybe a Cardi B and Vybz Kartel collab? Sound off in the comment section below. I'm always eager to hear your thoughts. But as usual, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all the wonderful things, and I will see you in the next video.